And now that we've firmly established whose show this is, whose show this has been, and whose show this is going to be, if you two children trying to out-troll each other, maybe we get down to business. You see, if you two morons had even one brain cell amongst the two of you, you know you don't get to make decisions about the World Heavyweight Championship match at WrestleMania when you're not in it. You guys seem to want to take everybody's opinion into account except the champ himself. I figure, why not go all the way? Why not take a poll of the whole city of Chicago?
Yeah!
So let's ask you fine folks here tonight. WrestleMania 40. Drew McIntyre versus Seth freaking Rollins. World Heavyweight title on the line. Should CM Punk be on commentary?
Yeah!
That's his countdown on right there. In all fairness, I really don't think I could be objectively fair with these two dipshits, so... PG, brother. Well, it's ironic because I don't think anything about you. And in fact, you haven't crossed my mind since the last time we were in this ring together. I don't give a damn about you. You're a non-factor to me. If you want to be on commentary at WrestleMania, you want to be a referee at WrestleMania, it doesn't matter to me. The funny thing to me, though, is that you're talking about